Hi everyone, welcome to this project demonstration. Today, I'm excited to walk you through my Python-based digital contact book, built using custom tkinter and SQLite. Let's dive in. This application is a modern, lightweight, and fully functional desktop contact manager. The sleek, dark theme with blue highlights creates a clean and professional look. All data is stored locally using an SQLite database. Adding a contact. To add a new contact, simply click the Add button. A pop-up window opens, where we can enter the contact's name, phone number, email address, and category tag, like family, friend, work, or other. Search and filter. The search bar lets you find any contact by name, phone, or email, all in real time. You can also filter contacts by category using the drop-down on the right. Editing contact. To update a contact, just select one from the list and click the Edit icon. You can modify any detail in the same pop-up window and save the changes instantly. Deleting contact. Deleting is just as easy. Select a contact and click the trash icon. The contact is removed from the database immediately. Each contact is tagged with a different color. The layout is clean and user-friendly, with a scrollable contact list. Behind the scenes under the hood, the app uses Python's custom tkinter for the modern GUI and SQLite for secure, offline data storage. All records are persistent. Even if you close the app, your contacts stay saved. Thank you for watching.